What's up people, ManRat here, coming to you with a video. This time I'm going to be talking about Szechuan peppercorn. This is essential for Chinese cooking. The flavor this peppercorn brings is amazing. It has a very lemonish, pepperish flavor to it. If you're making Chinese food at home, this is essential. One of the mistakes that I certainly made once I was trying to use these peppers was I did not prep them properly. By that I mean, when you're using Szechuan pepper, if you don't prep them properly, it can result in a very gritty texture. It will almost feel like somebody has added small rocks or sand into your food, and it will ruin the entire thing. In most cases, the amount you want to use is 1 teaspoon, which is about this much. It doesn't seem like much, but the flavor it brings is absolutely stunning. And the reason why you have to prep it is so you can remove these dark seeds. These dark seeds are the reason why the food has a gritty texture to it. The way that you can do is spread them on a plate. Anything that is dark, remove it. That is not really the peppercorn, that is a seed of the peppercorn. You can roast the peppercorns too. The problem you're going to run across is they are going to release some oil, and once they do that, most of the flavor is gone. So initially just put it on a plate, take out as many of these small seeds as you can. Once you do that, what you're going to be left with is this whole bean kind of a thing. And what you have to do is you have to take this bean, split it with your nail, and take this seed out. And what you're going to be left with is the outer shell. This is the outer shell you're going to be using for cooking. Not that. If you put that into your food, it's going to result in a very gritty texture. Just remove the husk. Once you remove the husk, that is what you want to use. Prep time wise, it will take you about 5 minutes to go through the whole thing. It actually is all in the technique. Just pick up the peppercorn. Once you pick it up, just open it up and remove the black seed. It comes out fairly easily. Once you do that, you're all set. And boom, just like that, you have separated the seeds from the husk. What I will highly recommend is do it slowly. It takes time, but the end result is absolutely incredible. And please don't think that you can cook these out or you can leave them in water, they will get soft. No, they are like rocks. They will not get soft. And one final comment, this is edible, this is not. So this is the one that you need to use for cooking, and this is the one you can toss in your compost pile or throw it in the garbage. As always, like, comment, subscribe. And if you have any questions or concern about this video, or if you have any tips that I can do this faster, by all means, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching. Later people. Bye.